I think I'm going to have to change the phone today. We're at Los Hectares. It's a nature reserve outside Almeria, and there's a tree, there's a bush, there's some sand, there's some pebbles, the sea's over there, there's another bush, there's a building, there's more sand. Los Hectares, and I'll tell you what, this wind is knocking, where do I speak? This wind's knocking me off my feet. There's a palm tree up there, look. What else is going on here? Let's try and make this into a short. Sendero. There's a Sendero sign there. Look at this. Tiles. Can you hear me? I doubt it. What's going on here? Wow. There's that. And that. What we got here? Look at all these. Slow motion. That's all in there. Let's have another look. So can you hear me? Oh, there's another sign. Los Hectares. That's it. Wait there, let's go and have a look. Ooh, that's better. Out the wind. Look, the fishing waters in Cabo de Gato National Park. There we go. And what have we gone to see already? We went to see these salt flats, didn't we? I never knew all this was here. This is an interesting building. Look, give you a wide shot. I never expected this. I really didn't. The movies we went to see over the last videos, remember? Yeah, we was in the mountains. We went to this film set. Lawrence of Arabia. We went to this film set. Wow, I didn't even know. This is amazing. Why did I go here? We didn't go there. Oh, yeah. But we went there. We went there, remember? Yeah. Right, this is the type of volcanic rock which is around here. Yeah, you can put a slow motion on that. That means you'll have to talk slow. But I'm not about to do that. Idiot. Look. See that? See that? It's a bush. That's a dried up river we went up, probably. Yeah, is it? Bloody hell, it is. Santos. That is the dried up river. We probably went up there, and we probably went in that gap there. We went there, remember, 4 videos ago, 6 videos ago, we went there. 8 videos ago, we went there, and 2 million videos, we went there. We probably went there, we probably went there, we probably went there, and we probably went there. Look at this. Where is this? Not somewhere else. Oh, right, okay. Look, we press these buttons here. Press my button, girl. We press that customary shadow. Press these buttons and, oh, that's, wow. Look, the button's way over there, and I have to go over here for it. El Charco. Playa Puntas Muertas, we've been. Plumo, don't know that. Where's that? We haven't been there, but we went to see lots of beaches, if you remember. Look, why they put the button over here for a picture over there? That's mental. Right, we'll get off that then. So this is Cabo de Gato. We've travelled all the way around here, and we're over here, I think. Or is that the other way around? But yeah, and then we go over the mountains of Murcia, right there. Right. So we're in February now, 10, but we're more like this at the moment. We're quite high. We're quite high. I think it's around 20 at the moment. Granadas, yeah. So we came around this mountain here, and we dropped down into Almeria about 5 videos ago. Almeria. We went to see the castle. You've got to have a look at it. It's a beautiful castle. And now we're here, Cabo de Gata, right there. Raindrops. Flower. Bush. I like a nice bush. There's a nice bush. Yeah. A flower. I like a nice flower as well. Acorn over the... Yeah, okay. So that's the type of stuff. Let's go into the next room. Air conditioning. Lovely. El Clima. Oh yeah, we're talking about. Better have another look at the Leviant wind we were talking about, going up there. Yeah, the Leviant, and they bring the. Sorry, that's the sea breeze. Leviant wind goes over, very strong at the moment. Right, let's stop this for a second. I'm quite amazed with the partners what pay into this. I mean, it's a good thing, and more things should be shown in Spain. There's so much lost here and not maintained. That's a nice windmill. That is a nice windmill. Yeah, I don't know what this is though. Sitting on a school table. Interesting. Oh, this, yeah, we've seen one of these, remember? We went to see one of them. Where did we see one of them? Almeria, if you remember the castle, they had one in the middle of the castle. There you go. There's no identification. That's a nice sign. Nice chairs. Oh, not more buttons. Right, okay, here we go. Oh, wait, no. That button there is lighting up that there. I tell you what, we're going to forget the buttons. There's a fish. There's a squid type thing. There's some more fish. Nutter. That's a. Oh, Christ almighty, I have to look now. Bottlenose dolphin. Bottlenose dolphin. Oh, bloody hell almighty. What did I do this for? I want some lunch. I didn't even know this building was here. I just turned off because it said National Park. So I thought, why not? Dolphin, striped dolphin. Striped dolphin. Wait, let's press this button. Where was the striped dolphin? I've missed him again. Oh, come on, help me out here. Right. Right, the lights are not working on the striped dolphin. So if you ever come here, do not press the light on the light dolphin. Let's try this conger eel thing. No, it's not lighting up. Oh, wait there. I press that button, look. And the other buttons light up. That's fucked. So much for all them partners, giving the lottery money and everything. Right, what's this button do? Anything lighting up? Oh, yeah, I'm going to start World War Bloody 3 in a minute if I keep on pressing buttons like that. It's cold. Bancos doing arena, sandbanks. Yeah, lots of Spanish we can learn here. Go slow motion again. And back to speed. There we go. And there's coral and tuna. Doesn't look like tuna to me. I bloody wouldn't put down my tuna in the goise. Oh, if you're watching now, Paris Barrington on tonight, 8 o'clock. Well worth the watch. She's a funny bucker. So well worth the watch. Paris Barrington. Yeah, Paris, you owe me a fiver for that. Nemelonian. That's disgusting. What else we got here? It's Gabo de Gata. We haven't been to that windmill yet. That's a windmill, that lighthouse. Yeah. Gordon is here. Gordon is here. Punta de la Mola Parla. I think we're going. Oh yeah, we got to go. Haven't we got to go around here? I think, I don't know. Not yet. Punta Giovanna. These are the this is why it hasn't got a coastal road. We have to go up and over this mountain any minute. We're on our way there, in fact, before we stopped off here. Here we go. Cabo de Gato. So we've been past that. I know where we are. We're up here. See, we can't go sort of around here. It's virtually impossible because of all this, you see. So we have to go round. We have to go round and drop into Murcia up there. Bloody hell, the only word I recognise there is, well, conservation. Barcelona. There's not even a the or an a. I've seen an a. My finger's dirty. No, I've seen an a. Right, okay then, what's this? Hey, wait a minute. Do I have to press a button over there? What's that? That's fucking cheap, that is. Yeah, this is better. Look, look, I've collected better than that. What's this then? What's in there then? There's another room in there with more buttons. Fish. Oh God, we're making this one into a quick one. Yeah, look, let's say they grab their food. That's what we... Oh, wait, I'll take a still picture in that, and I'll pretend that I was right close to him. So bear with me, wait a second. No, that was me. It's a good idea, though. Yeah, I was this close. That could be my head picture. Wait, I'm stopping the video for a second, because I can't take a picture. And we're back in the room. Back in the room we are. Mountain. Oh, I should have taken a bloody picture of that one. Not that one. Wait there, if I press it. Oh, it's not a button. I think this place is for kids. Look. So you get the Andorius chickens. Some of these are very rare birds what come over, and I've seen quite a few of them. I have been quite close to them. And there's some little ones as well. I don't know, they're not here. It's just in abundance, some of them are. Las Avas. This is the best time of year to observe many birds of passage. Wait, there's signs up all the time. How can they say that? Wait, we're in the winter at the moment. Right, okay, Las Salinas. We've been there, the salt pans. Yeah. We've got more salt pans to go over as well. We've got to drive over those and sort of around that mountain there. Flamingos, we all know about flamingos and Flamingo City and everything like that. These are the ones I see quite commonly. All these around here. What's this? Most of the species are blending with summer here. Summer visitors have already brought up their chicks. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Hey, there's another room in there. Oh, this place is packed. You have to walk around all in a circle. The salt pans, we've seen those. Where did we see those? We've seen them in Portugal as well. That's about 10 to 12 videos back. Oh, is it hornbill? Don't know, but they're pretty. Have a look at this silver wolf for a second. Hi. What's this? Press the buttons. Oh, you can hear them right there. Yeah. So that's that one. The light's not coming up for him. This one here, lighting on, is this one. And that's the Alvacon Kuman. Yeah. There you go. Interesting, isn't it? Here's a good little room, like this little room. The flowers, the Thorny, the plants. There's a good one. There's a kid's picture. You don't want to see that, really. Oh, we've seen a lot of these. And we get buttons, look. The Paraproca. There. We got the Genista Resembles there. We know this one. Almorenza. We know that one already, don't we? I don't know this one. Where's the button for that? Limonian. Never heard of it. But I've seen it. And more in abundance. Is that one? The charm. What's it called? I'll have to look at it. Charaldema. There, right there. So look at that. Bloody interesting, this, isn't it? Fucking hell. Come on, it's interesting. Come on, get a life. Get a life. Go and cook your Sunday dinner. Look, Anne-Marie's, Mrs. J's on at 12:30, your time, 1:30 my time. So I've got to do it all before that and get on the road and go over them bloody mountains, for Christ's sake. But I'll go outside and have a look at the Thorny right there. What's that? That's a Romero Mora. Oh, Christ almighty, that's an Adelpha. That one up there is an Aluga. There's what there? Oh, just fucking press the buttons. That's pampas grass by the looks of it. What's that? Limium there. Periploca. We all know a good periploca, don't we? Yeah, and that's the Ramnus. Oh, the light's not working. The light's not working on the Ramnus. There you go. Oh, and here we have super predators. Eagle owl, Banana's eagle, the snakes, slow motion time. Here we go. Oh, I haven't seen fox. I've seen loads and loads of rabbits around here. And that's the ones I saw in abundance, goldfish. I actually fed some ants today. I gave them a load of sugar because I accidentally pissed on them last night. Oh, we missed that one. There's a fox. Oh no, I can't be putting all. No way. No, look. If I press, there you go. Look, I press all the bloody buttons. If you want to, you'll have to hit me up and pay my fuel price to get back here if you want to see the snake picture or the snake light, because I'm not going through all that to find a bloody no, that won't be happening. Oh wait a minute, did I come around the right way? I've been to this temperature room before. I went round the wrong way. I went round the wrong way. I'm an idiot. A beautiful little seating area as well. Yes, I wonder if these were some Roman gardens. I've got a bloody clue. But it's well looked after. Nicely. Yeah, this is a place to visit. It's a national park. There's olive tree, no olives on it though. I don't think we'll walk into their gardens. No, I'd like to. But let's go and have a look at the Thorny outside. We're really getting to those grubs and those beetles and have a look through the plants and everything. And let's have an explore. There's the plant we mentioned earlier, the Cyniferous morphonius, and this one here was the Figulius lancebumius. And here we go with a bit of, remember this one's very spiky, got that sleeve out. Remember that one? That was called that. Yeah, and we go into the desert to see more Thorny. Wait a minute. What was the snakes? What was the snakes? Was there any snakes? Fucking snakes. And it's bloody windy. I want a cup of coffee. You know, gotta get a cup of coffee. There's your bloody national park. There it is. Yeah, there's lots of trees. We're gonna have a look at other stuff up there. Bloody weren't lying, you bloody hell. Jesus. They weren't lying. Look. There's loads of it. Palm trees, things. What the parakeets sat on the other day, remember? Bloody hell. That's nice, isn't it? Oh my god. I need to change. Oh god, I do. Right. That's it, look. Wait there. Can you hear me? Two-handed job. God, I bet that wind's ripping in there. Oh, what's this? It's like, oh, customary shadow next to a hole. Oh no, that's just a locked room. Am I meant to be up here? I don't know, but it's fun. Can you hear me? Oh shit, I nearly died. I needed this in the old age, you see. Oh, arthritis crippling in. Oh, right, okay, enough of that. There's your bloody the National Park Tourist Centre. It doesn't cost a penny to get in. Cactus. Oh, sorry, cacti. Some of you would put in a message, hey, it's cactus. Or cacti, not cactus. Hey, there's some nice bloody plants around here. Fair play. Is that lavender? Is that a smell? Oh my god, yeah. Oh, that smells beautiful. That is absolutely lovely. That is... Oh, wait there. Close out. There we go. At least this is the phone that doesn't go... take a shot in and out. But this is a great place. I might actually stay here and make a coffee. I got the back to the wind. Make coffee in the back of the car and have a look at all the bye Granada Mountains. Look how far they are away. Look at that. That is a long way away. I'm far away from them mountains. Soon to go, if you can see it, Granada Mountains over there are closed in. Granada Mountains over there by about, 60 to 80 miles. And I pan round the coast like that. These are the mountains we're going over today, Sunday. I don't know if it's the 11th or 12th, but we'll be going around to San Llanos, which is around here. And I don't know if you can see it, on the very edge of that mountain there's a coastal road going up, roughly about an inch away. And we'll be going up that dirty, tracky coastal road, enough for one car. And that should take us about 2 days to get around that mountain. But that is where we go. Over the mountain. And we might get the kayak out to the base of it because it's wind protected. There's the Mediterranean. We're looking at Morocco over there by about, oh, I don't know now, fucking hell. I think Cyprus would be the nearest bloody place over there. But that's not my concern. I want to show you the bush. There you go. And that probably doesn't conclude today's video because you know what I'm like. I just babble on and babble on and babble on, and oh my god, it's fantastic here. I like this place. I like, there's a lot of aloe vera and everything. I do like, see, I haven't even left yet. Goodbye. I'm gutted. I had to turn Mrs. J off for 5 minutes just to show you the entrance to it, because I didn't video the entrance, did I, when I was coming in? Look at all this aloe vera. I mean, this area is a wash with young aloe vera. So this national park is quite new. There's people picking stuff. I want to go and see them. Look how much aloe vera is here. Look, I'm going to see them people and say, I want to know what they're picking. Oh, they're just picking an olive branch. That's all. Oh, look at that. That's a new national park. It's surrounded by a strange. That's it. We're heading up here, if you can hear me. Oh my god, we're going to visit this area here. We're going up there. Mojicar area. We're going to go. Hello. And so we'll pop into Mojicar. We'll be there tomorrow, and then into Walt Disney area. That's about it. Bye for now. The things you do. I'm missing Mrs. J. This is, I've just spoken to the gentleman in broken Spanish. This is an aguilera tree. I think he said that, aguilera tree. And what you do, he was explaining that you put it with boiling water, and basically you put a towel over and you suck in the vapours of it. So it's like a Vicks vapor rub. So I'm going to try that later, and I'll probably do a short on it by Monday or Tuesday, and see if it had any benefits, because it's got a lot of benefits for the throat. In fact, I might get a bit more and breathe in the vapours. So I told you we never bloody end it. Can I get back to Mrs. J now? Thank you very much. Goodbye.